Hey guys, this is Rishika from BeetleBite.com and I'm here with another video. So we recently checked out these two products from AMX India. One the power delivery charger and the other was a C-type cable. So if you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend you to watch it. The link would be somewhere over here. So AMX India is here with another product which adds to their the portfolio. This is a BeamX wireless charger, and the wireless chargers have been trending now. So let's just check it out and see how it is. So this is the wireless charger over here, and as you can see, it supports dual coil charging. That is, you can put your phone as the way you like and still the phone will be charged. Also, it has an LED indicator to show you that the phone is being charged. It protects the overheat thing that happens when you are charging the phone, and then fast charging up to 10 watts. And it is case friendly, like you can put it on charge while the case is still on. It's affordable also, like $14.99 is the price, and then here it is G compatible. That is, you can charge your iPhones or S20 series and many other phones with it. Also, the thing is that it has a micro USB cable, which is like a bummer over here because we were all expecting the C-type charging. So I think we should just start unboxing it. This is the charger, and it is again a glossy look, and this over here is the okay. Yeah. This is the cable. And so this is the charger, and it has a matte finish which is highly appreciated, and as you can see here, it is the soft part, so there is least damage that it can do to your phone. Also, it is like a stand, so you can keep it on your bedside or on any table, and you can use it, watch a video or something while it's getting charged, like horizontally or vertically for that matter. And over here it's the branding, and it's pretty good looking, I guess. And yeah, so that's it for today, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Please like and comment on our video so that we can know what your views really are on the video. And yeah, stay tuned to BeetleBite.com and the channel. Thank you.